Hi, we're going on to chapter 4 now. So remember, it's getting hotter and hotter, just like Max said it would, and they have to hurry and work fast. And how do you feel when you have to work fast and you have to hurry? Sometimes I don't do my best work, but we need to hurry sometimes. So I can get a little flustered or anxious when I have to hurry, but I still do it if it's really important. And here it is very important because they know they have to get moving. So they finish the raft together, they work together, and they put it in the water and it starts floating. And they made a sail, so they're still working well together. And then they see, a storm is coming. Now, how do you feel when you see a storm coming? Some people don't like storms and they get nervous. I know my dog doesn't like storms. I don't mind them, but some people don't like them. And so maybe, well, if you're on a boat, I think you would get worried if you saw a storm coming. And so it starts to rain and the waves are getting bigger and there's thunder and lightning. I would be worried if I was on a little raft in a big storm. So, yep, sure enough, it's a problem. So they're probably really scared, but they still have to work and um, stay as brave as they can and not give up so that they can stay afloat. It's hard to do when you're scared. And Sean is hanging on to the parachute and it takes him away. Boom, he goes away. And Trevor's yelling and Sean's yelling. Oh, I would be so scared if that happened because you don't know if that person's going to be okay. You don't know if you're going to see him again. You'd be very worried and anxious about that. So it said that Sean flew through the air and he landed on a beach. But he got up because he knew he had to keep moving and he remembered the plan. So even though he was scared, he remembered he had to keep working and he had to go to the volcano shaft because that was what the plan was. So in the meantime, Trevor and Hannah hang on to the raft. They take it as far as they can. And then they start to look for Sean because they're worried about Sean and they don't want to leave him behind. They want to find him and hopefully he's okay and they can all go together. So they don't have much time. It's starting to get hotter. Uh-oh, look at that picture. Okay, that would be extremely scary. I would be petrified. But notice that Sean is not just standing there. He might be screaming, but he's running as fast as he can. So when he's scared because this dinosaur is chasing him, he is going as fast as he can. And so Trevor and Hannah are looking for Sean. I'm sure they're worried about him. And they go look for him. And that's when Sean hears something. It's a growl. He can't see it at first. He only hears it. Ugh, that would be scary. And he screams, which is appropriate. Oh, looks like Trevor's pulling Sean out of the cave. So the dinosaur is still chasing Sean, and I'm sure he's still extremely scared, but he keeps moving and running and thinking. And he's trying to find a solution to stay away from the dinosaur. And he does. He runs into a cave that's too big. I mean, too small for the dinosaur. The dinosaur can't get in. And Trevor hears him screaming. I'm sure he's worried for him when he hears him screaming. He's like, oh, I got to find him. And he runs towards the sound of the scream and he sees him and he saves him by helping him through that end of the cave. And I bet when he saved them and they're safe, both of them probably, oh my gosh, they feel so great that they're done with that dangerous situation and the dinosaur can't get to them. I would feel relieved. They are safe for now. And that's chapter 4. See you next time.